Now, here's Oliver with today's Trader Tip.
I'm Oliver Sloup with Blue Line Futures, coming to you from the Chicago Board of Trade with your Trader Tip of the day. There is a lot of economic data that gets released through any given month, and one of the reports, or a couple reports, that get swept under the rug all too often is new housing starts and permits. And a lot of times that gets swept under the rug because people don't really take some time to think about, well, what commodity markets could that potentially affect? Well, you're talking about housing starts and potential building permits. What are the main inputs in building a house? Well, lumber is a big one. So if you see housing starts and permits increase, it's likely going to drive demand higher for lumber, increasing the price for lumber. And we've seen that play out here over the last several months. However, in the most recent report, we actually saw housing starts decline by a bigger percentage than expected, dropped by about 6%, but lumber prices still remained strong and actually rallied a little bit. And why would that be? Well, housing starts is kind of here and now and looking backward indicator. Housing permits, or building permits, is going to be what's a little bit more forward looking. That was actually up about 10.5%, meaning that over the next 1 to 2 months, the demand is going to be coming back and you're going to see housing starts continue to pick up. And that should be supportive to lumber prices going forward. Now, lumber prices have nearly doubled from last year, so we wouldn't be surprised to see things find a little bit of an equilibrium and cool off a little bit here as we head towards the spring and summertime. So that's what we're looking at. That's what you should be looking at too. This has been Oliver Sloup, Blue Line Futures at the Chicago Board of Trade.
For more Business First AM, check us out on social media. We're on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. And go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.